Hello guys, my name is Ikem. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. And in this video, I'll show you how to use a free VPN. You use a VPN to change your IP address or to change your internet location. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use a free VPN at no cost. Like, we have so many VPNs out there that would charge you a whole lot of dollars in order to access their services. Okay, but in this video I'll show you how to use a free VPN. So I'll move straight to my website, my web, to access my current location. As you can see, when I load up this website, what is my IP address .com, and you can see my IP address over here, 102.89.2.95, and it shows my via my ISP, internet service provider, that this is MTN Nigeria and I am in Nigeria. Okay, so how can I make use of a free VPN to bilocate or change my location from Nigeria to any other country of your choice? Okay, so I'm introducing you to a website or a VPN service user called the Tunnel Bear. Okay, with this Tunnel Bear, you'll be able to to make use of free VPN to change your location. Okay, I guess it sounds awesome, great, at no cost, at just no cost. So all you need to do is go to tunnelbear.com, load up your tunnelbear.com. All right, and this is the website. It pops up, and what you need to do is to download the app. And that's one great thing about this app. It's that it it pretty much can contain any platform that you are using. Okay, whether you are using the Mac or the Windows or iOS or Android, so it pretty much works very well. So you choose your platform and download the app. I won't walk you through the process of downloading the app or the application. It's pretty easy. Just go to tunnelbear.com and follow the process, follow the steps. And one thing again about the Tunnel Bear is that you can browse the internet from 34 countries. Wow, that sounds great and awesome, at no cost. UK, US, Canada, Germany, Japan, Ireland, Spain, France, and down to any of these 34 countries of your choice. So okay, I want to bilocate to this country, Sweden. Okay, so what do I do? I already have the app on my on my system. So what I need to do is to load up the application, to load up Tunnel Bear. All right, so very good. So this is Tunnel Bear. I have Tunnel Bear on my PC. And what next do I need to do? As you can see over here, you can see that it is disconnected, and there's a drop down box beside that. And once I click on this drop down box, I'm able to see the countries of my choice. I'm able to see the countries of my choice. And for the record, we said that we want to change our location to Sweden, right? So once I click on Sweden, I see Sweden there, and I push this button to on, and it should start loading up the location. As you can see on your screen, it's moving, and under some couple of seconds, split seconds, couple of seconds, it should be able to get us down to a location somewhere in Sweden. It's quite funny, being in Nigeria and change your location to Sweden. All right, so you can see over there that the connection is secured, Sweden, and you can see the location. It has already taken me to that place, even when at my comfort zone in Nigeria. So how do I know that my location currently now it's in Sweden? So the first thing I do is to go back to your Chrome. What is my IP address? To go back to what is my IP address and refresh the page. You just refresh the page. All right. From refreshing the page, you can see that okay, from after refreshing the page, you can now see that my IP address has changed 194.59.25.0.19, and the ISP now it's N247 Limited in the city of Stockholm, the region of Stockholm County, and the country now it's Sweden. I've been able to change my location from Nigeria to Sweden. If this video was helpful, I want you to please subscribe to our YouTube channel. My name again is Ikem Ekweme, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.